everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're getting into some more fall foods and making apple pie pancakes with some familiar festive flavors. If you aren't already, now would be a great time to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell to get notified about upcoming videos. For the pancake batter, I'm using all-purpose flour, sugar, milk, baking powder, salt, vanilla extract, butter, and 1 egg. I'm going to start by sifting my flour into my bowl. And then I'm going to do the same with my baking powder to get out any lumps. Next, I'm going to add my salt. And then what I like to do to cut down on dishes is mix my wet ingredients together in my measuring cup. Since milk is the only thing I really need to measure in it, I'm going to start with that, and then I'll add my egg, sugar, vanilla, and melted butter. I'm using 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Just going to pop that into the microwave to melt so that we can add it to our liquids over here. You guys know I don't like measuring my vanilla, so you can see my very scientific measurement over here. I figure each little squirt is probably about a teaspoon. You can see here that I just have a small opening in the top. From here, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of sugar and then whisk it all together before adding it to our dry mixture. I'm adding in about half of my wet mix first, just to help with incorporation, and then I'm going to add the rest in after. Then whisk it all together until you don't have any more dry mix and it's nice and smooth. You should have kind of a medium batter consistency, not too thick, but not really runny either. When you get that done, just set it to the side and we'll start working on our topping. Next, I'm dicing up 1 green apple. You can use whatever kind of apple you have on hand. I happen to like Granny Smiths, but you can use whatever floats your boat. You will actually see later in the video I ended up throwing in some leftover bits of red apples I had from a previous time. It's all good. Place a pan on medium heat and then add a tablespoon or 2 of butter. Once it's melted, add in 1/3 cup of brown sugar. It was looking a little bit thick for my liking, so I ended up adding a little water with each addition of brown sugar. Remember, this is for pancakes, so you want it to have a syrup-like consistency. Mix until it's all combined and then add your diced apples and hand toss them in the syrup. I'm using unsalted butter, so I actually added some salt here. If you want to use salted butter and omit using additional salt, you can do that as well. Next, I'm adding in some ground cloves, followed by some ground nutmeg and ground ginger. Give it a nice little stir just so you don't burn any of the sugar on the bottom. Add another 1/3 cup of brown sugar and follow that with another couple tablespoons of water. And next I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Stir, stir, stir. Adding in some vanilla extract here as well. Gonna add in some more butter, brown sugar, and water. Once the sugar is all dissolved, move the mixture to the side off the heat. Next, we are gonna make a little whipped cream cheese mixture for the top. I'm just using a ramekin to mix this, so I took out one of the beaters so my mixer would fit inside. Add your softened cream cheese first, and then give it a little blitz. Next, add cold heavy cream and a couple tablespoons of sugar. I like to give it a little stir at this point. Then I'm going to add some vanilla extract and then get to mixing. Once you've mixed a bit, make sure to run a spatula around the sides and the bottom to make sure that you don't have any pockets of sugar or anything that's going to keep your mixture from being nice and smooth. You'll know you're done mixing when you see the mixture start to pull away from the sides, and you'll see you have stiff peaks. Once that's done, put it in a piping bag with a star tip and keep it in the fridge until you're ready for it. Go ahead and get a pan heating up for your pancake batter. Make sure to give your batter a good stir if it's been sitting for very long. You want to be on medium to low heat when you pour your pancake batter. If you have it too high, you're going to burn the bottom, which is actually going to be the top, before the middle gets cooked, so you don't want that. You want nice, even, golden brown coverage. You can tell by the bubbles in the batter when it's time to flip it. When it's time to flip, cook the other side and repeat with the rest of your pancakes. Once you have all your pancakes stacked, spoon your hot apple mixture over the top and then pipe on a little rosette of your whipped cream cheese mix. You can dust with a little powdered sugar if you like, or you can do like I did and just sprinkle on a little more cinnamon. And voila! Apple pie pancakes, great for breakfast, brunch, dinner, you name it. Let me know in the comments below how you feel about this recipe or if there's anything that you would change. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to share with anyone you think would love these pancakes. As always, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye!